Hello guys, First Person Games here, and I am presenting you a SS Airsoft clip. And I know I haven't been posting videos in a while, so this is a fresh start. I am adding more graphics, more editing tools to my video editor, and I am just going through and editing these videos. I have videos that I haven't uploaded, and I've been thinking about them, because I don't think people want to see me play Airsoft in my backyard, but who cares, you just leave that in the comment below. And tell me where you play Airsoft, so like if you play nearby, I might have the time to play with you. But anyway, if you guys enjoy this video, like, subscribe, and comment below what's your favorite Airsoft place. And yeah, just watch the video, and hope you guys enjoy. They're shooting through a crack. Oh, that guy's dead. It looks like there's a guy in there, so I don't know. I'm thinking of fighting forward. Can you guys go around here? I don't think they are. There's a guy right there. Is that right there? God dang it, there's a guy. Hey. Hey. Hey, move up. You need to move up. Alright. You get hit? Alright guys, I'm gonna slide up. You guys try and follow me, okay? Okay. You know how to slide, right? No. Try your best. 3, 2, 1. Bang bang! Thunder. GG man. Alright, I'm gonna rush into that building, okay? Suppress fire! Suppress fire! Building's clear! Building's clear! Did you hit me? Did you hit me? Okay, good. Oh, frick. Are you hit? GG man! GG! No. Dead man passing through. Dead man passing through.
That's on my head.
Right. Thank you, Red. Alright guys, yeah, round 2 starts, and now we can roll out. And I didn't mention this at the beginning of the video, but I'm using my HK 416 $100. Pretty think worth it. I mean, best result I've ever seen, because it's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna leave you off with saying that.
I haven't been there since I changed the field layout, so I have no clue where anything is anymore. I'm guessing there's guys out there?
Yeah, there's a guy straight in a crack, right in the barrel.
I saw that one. Hey, pop up. 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go.
Alright, I'm gonna move up.
Alright, I'll stay here.
Whoa! Am I getting hit? Who's hitting me?
Oh, it's bouncing off from behind us.
Oh, crap. Alright, hit. Hit. Hit.
I'm hit.
Oh. It's on it. Alright, we need to move. Alright, hey, I need 2 people and me. We're gonna cross over there. You guys think we can do that? Over there? Suppress fire while you're running, okay? Ready? Mark! Alright, you told me. Shoot through the peepholes if you can. Shoot through the peepholes. Check that one. Alright. Oh, right there with the shooting pods right there, like, right. Did you get hit? Yeah, he's right behind that door. Run! Alright, even it. Hit! I'm hit!
Hey, got somebody.
Hey, wave your arms to the right. Hey, don't take a mask.
What's that?
Don't take a mask. Guys, they're right there.
There's nobody over there but us.
Alright, I'm thinking of sliding over there. Here. Ready? Oh, frick, get down. Hey, coming at your heels. Surrender! Surrender!
Surrender!
I think so. Oh, right there. Hey, call it.
You're not calling?
Oh.
Should I go open the gate?
Hey, guy through that window, watch out. Surrender, surrender.
I'll surrender both of y'all.
You're surrendered.
I don't get it when you're around a corner and you say surrender when
Yeah, you gotta.
you're at the wall, but I'll take it.
Yeah, I mean. Alright, I'm attempting a full auto.
Just see these guys, come on. Come with me.
Watch out, watch out. Sorry. Crap. Hit, hit. Ah.
You alright? Something interesting? Start moving up
Yeah.
on the objective. No, they already have a fire.
Three. Sorry. Watch over there, watch over there. So as you saw, there was just a cheater that had killed us all. The only rule was you cannot pass that orange line you can see on the ground. So obviously he is a cheater, alright. Hey, one of those teammates, one of them went past the orange line. I mean, what's his deal?
God over there. Standing up there and looking intimidating.
I know.
Sorry, dog.
Hey.
What's up?
I'm sorry. He's a jolly kid.
Oh,
That guy's gonna hit you at some point. Jumbo.
blindfire.
Oh, fuck. Holy crap, that guy is close.
Higher than 400.
gonna wrap up this video, guys. If you want to see more, check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, view, leave a comment below. I'll see you guys later. Please, Airsoft nice. Do not be one of those cheaters. And I'll see you later, guys.
Should I go open the